Here's Connor. He's ready to take him on. Here's Quinn. He's his worthy opponent. We're going to see what happens with a little 1v1 action. Here is their ref, Chase. Chase, I got it right. I go.
Should get in the middle.
Yeah, I like that.
Camera might get hit, but...
Okay.
Alright, left side, are you ready? Right side, are you ready? Alright, game's gonna start in 3, 2, 1, go! Come on, Connor!
There's Quinn over there. Gosh, I hope this comes out. Seem to zoom up. I guess you can't zoom on this. Here comes Quinn. There's Connor. He's trying to get him. There's Quinny. Quinny likes to get up on his little toes and go to town, man. He is alright. He's super beat today. Go Quinn.
Come on, Quinn!
Of course I gotta... For Connor.
Connor wins!
Oh shoot, did you get hurt bad?
Hey,
Uh-oh.
should we do 2v2? Yeah, we're doing 2v2.
Uh-oh. I think he got hurt pretty bad. Alright, Connor.
You okay, Quinn?
I think it hurt him.
Hey, Quinn, let me borrow your mask.
Connor, you hit him 5 times? Don't you think one's enough?
Well, I didn't know if they missed.
Say hey, babe.
Hey.
Alright, I'm turning it off.
Okay.
Bye, honey.